Welcome. In this video, I will show you the essential keyboard brightness settings and shortcuts on MacBook Pro M5. So, most important part is that the keyboard backlight shortcuts on the keyboard itself were removed, and therefore we don't have as quick of an access to them unless we set it up ourselves. Thankfully, it is made very easy. All we have to do is click the control center icon in the top right corner of the screen, then click edit controls and search for keyboard brightness widget or tile, then tap plus next to it, then add to control center, and it will appear right here. Click done. And then using this quick shortcut, you can adjust the keyboard brightness level manually. However, to do that, we have to disable the automatic keyboard brightness level. To do that, go to keyboard settings. And here, we're gonna have to switch this toggle off next to adjust keyboard brightness in low light, and then adjust the keyboard brightness manually, either here or once again using our keyboard shortcut. And then the other thing that is also available here in the keyboard backlight menu is turning the keyboard backlight off after inactivity, and we can adjust this value to our needs. So if you select after 1 minute or after 5 minutes, this will significantly improve your device's battery capacity. And so yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.